Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to do a brief compare and contrast between StanStore and Etsy. So which one is better? And we're going to start with StanStore with a rating breakdown with a 5-point system. So when it comes to ease of use, StanStore is 4.2 out of 5, which is quite easy to use. Customer support is 3.8 out of 5, not too bad. They have an AI support system, but they actually need some more work to be done. When it comes to tools, it offers, which is SEO, marketing, product tools, is 3.8 out of 5. Not a ton of tools that is offered, but the ones that are offered are actually pretty good. 24-point feature checklist is 4.1 out of 5. Testing project, 4.2 out of 5. Customer user rating is 4.8 out of 5 based on over 180 users. And overall rating of StanStore is 4.15 out of 5, which is one of the best. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons of StanStore, the pros are as follows. User-friendly interface, no sales commissions, only basic features for creators that keep it simple, built-in email list builder, simple and eye-appealing landing page templates, and a great link in bio option. Now, when it comes to the cons, however, there is no free plan, how to enter your credit card for a free trial, which is a pain in the butt, basic online course creation, and limited payment getaway options. When it comes to Etsy, the standout features are as follows. Massive marketplace audience that has almost 90 million active buyers. It has a forever free plan, self-handmade products, digital goods, and subscriptions, extensive product management features such as custom work order tools, images, which is up to 10 videos, and smart tags up to 13, and purchase protection program for Etsy sellers. The monthly fees are, of course, it's forever free plan that is available. It's Etsy Plus, which is $10 per month, and Etsy Pattern, which is $15 per month. And the pros and cons of Etsy are as follows. The pros are pre-built audience on Etsy's marketplace, no monthly fees, and quick setup. The cons, however, listing and transaction fees, product restrictions limited to handmade items, and limited branding and creative control for your online store. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.